Okay, this is Drew's furnace. He stacked these bricks himself, and he's thrown some charcoal in there. I don't want to hurt my camera, but it's glowing ever so slightly in there. I zoomed in a little bit. So there's some charcoal glowing in there, and we're going to turn it on. We have a little air blower system here. Go ahead. Now, you're seeing a little distortion from the heat, and now it's glowing even more. Can you put a few handfuls in there, Drew?
No, but I don't want to get my hands dirty.
Oh well. Woo! A few more. Woo-wee. Alright. There we have it. That is insanely hot. Unbelievably hot. We put metal in there and it's glowing. Yikes, that's hot. This should be glowing any minute now.
God, I think it's time to pull it out.
And it's glowing.
Hey.
There you go, it's glowing.